Welcome to Reviews Heaven. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best juicer machines on the market. From the compact Magic Bullet Mini Juicer, perfect for small kitchens, to the powerful Mueller Juicer Ultra Power with its sleek, stainless steel design. We'll also explore the versatile NutriBullet Slow Juicer, the nutrient-maximizing Omega J8006 HDS Cold Press Juicer, and the efficient Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. Whether you're a juicing newbie or a seasoned pro, we've got the perfect juicer to fit your needs. Stay tuned as we compare their features, performance, and ease of use. Let's get juicing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. The Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine is a sleek silver centrifugal extractor with a powerful 850-watt motor. It is designed to quickly transform whole fruits and vegetables into fresh, healthy juice in seconds. One of its standout features is the extra-large 3-inch big mouth feed chute. This allows you to add whole foods without the need for pre-cutting, saving you valuable time and effort in the kitchen. Imagine tossing in whole apples, carrots, or tomatoes and getting smooth, nutritious juice almost instantly. The Hamilton Beach Juicer simplifies cleanup. Its drip-free spout flips up to prevent messes between batches, and the patented Easy Sweep cleaning tool reduces strainer cleaning time. Additionally, the pulp bin, juice bowl, lid, and pusher are all dishwasher safe, making the entire process hassle-free. This juicer's 850-watt motor ensures maximum juice yield from both hard and soft produce without clogging. Use high speed for tough fruits like apples and beets and low speed for softer items like leafy greens and grapes. This versatility ensures you get the most out of your ingredients every time. The 40 ounces BPA-free pitcher with lid and froth separator keeps juice contained and free from froth. Juicing with the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine is a quick and easy way to get your daily fruits and vegetables. Elevate your juicing experience with the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine. Efficient, easy to clean, and powerful, it's the perfect addition to any health-conscious kitchen. Get yours today and start enjoying fresh, homemade juice in seconds. Number 2. NutriBullet Slow Masticating Juicer Machine. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer is a compact yet powerful masticating juicer designed to extract maximum nutrition from your favorite fruits and vegetables. Don't let its size fool you. This juicer is equipped to handle all your juicing needs with ease. The 3-inch feed chute fits larger quantities of produce, reducing prep time. Its high-torque, low-speed motor spins at 65 RPM, quietly crushing and squeezing deep nutrition from every ingredient. The durable steel-tipped auger and stainless steel sieve ensure efficient juicing, providing more juice for your morning routine. Despite its ultra-compact size, the NutriBullet Slow Juicer delivers sleek strength and superior juice extraction. Cleanup is a breeze with the no-drip spout that prevents messes and the dishwasher-safe components. The included screen cleaning brush makes maintenance even easier, taking the chore out of juicing. The NutriBullet Slow Juicer comes with a 150W motor base, juice bowl with no-drip spout, grinding assembly, 24-ounce juice container, pulp container, screen cleaning brush, and a user and recipe guide. Compact yet powerful, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. Elevate your juicing experience with the NutriBullet Slow Juicer. Easy to clean, quiet, and efficient. It's the perfect addition to your healthy lifestyle. Get yours today and enjoy fresh, nutrient-rich juice every day. Number 3. Omega Cold Press Juicer Machine. Introducing the Omega J8006 HDS Cold Press Juicer, a versatile and powerful machine designed for maximum nutrient extraction. Operating at a slow 80 RPM, this juicer minimizes heat buildup and oxidation, preserving healthy enzymes and promoting nutrient-rich juice. The Omega J8006 HDS is more than just a juicer. It's a multifunctional kitchen tool that can turn nuts into butter, extrude pasta, grind coffee and spices, mince herbs and garlic, and even make baby food and frozen desserts. With its triple-stage masticating technology, you get the most flavor and nutrients from every ingredient. Featuring an adjustable end cap with 3 pressure settings, this juicer ensures maximum juice output and extraction. The automatic pulp ejection system allows for continuous juicing, making it easy to prepare large batches of juice effortlessly. Equipped with a powerful yet quiet gear reduction equivalent to a 2 HP motor, the Omega J8006 HDS handles tough ingredients with ease. It also includes an extra-large feed tray and a convenient built-in handle for easy use and storage. Made with an ultimauger that is 8 times stronger than most plastics, this juicer is built to last. Its compact design allows it to fit seamlessly into any kitchen, and the low-speed processing ensures juice can be stored for up to 72 hours without degradation. Enhance your juicing experience with the Omega J8006 HDS Cold Press Juicer. Efficient, versatile, and durable, it's the perfect addition to any health-conscious kitchen. Get yours today and enjoy fresh, nutritious juice every day. Number 4. Magic Bullet Mini Juicer. Presenting the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer, a small and effective juicing option crafted to suit every kitchen. Its strong 400-watt motor efficiently extracts all the healthy juice from your favorite fruits and vegetables, making sure you get the most out of each ingredient. The roomy 2-inch feed chute accommodates larger chunks, reducing prep time. Less chopping means more time enjoying fresh, delicious juice. Simply drop in your fruits and veggies, and let the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer do the rest. Cleanup is a breeze with top-rack dishwasher-safe attachments and a silicone spout cap that catches drips before they hit your countertop. Keep your kitchen tidy and mess-free with minimal effort. Juice directly into the included 16-ounce cup, which comes with a twist-on-to-go lid for spill-free sipping and portability. Enjoy your fresh juice at home or on the go without the hassle of extra dishes. The Magic Bullet Mini Juicer takes up way less space than standard models, making it perfect for any kitchen. Its compact design allows for easy storage, whether you keep it on the countertop or tuck it away. Enhance your daily routine with the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer. Compact, easy to clean, and efficient, it's the perfect addition to any health-conscious lifestyle. Get yours today and enjoy fresh, nutritious juice every day. Number 5. Mueller Juicer Ultra Power. Introducing the Mueller Juicer Ultra Power, a sleek and powerful centrifugal juicing machine designed to make healthy living easy. With dual speed settings, this juicer handles both soft and hard produce, extracting maximum nutrition with every use. The 3-inch wide feed chute allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time. Use the convenient pusher to safely guide your produce into the chute. The safety locking arm ensures the lid stays securely shut, and the auto shut-off feature prevents overheating. Enjoy fresh juice without the mess. The Mueller Juicer separates juice and pulp automatically, featuring a 34-ounce juice jug and a 68-ounce pulp container. A helpful chart in the manual shows how much juice and pulp you can expect from various fruits and vegetables. Cleanup is a breeze with top-rack dishwasher-safe attachments and the included brush to clear debris from the stainless steel blades. Simply disassemble the juicer, rinse the parts, and you're ready for your next juicing session. The Mueller Juicer Ultra Power boasts a compact design that fits easily on any countertop. Its anti-slip silicone feet keep it stable during operation, and its stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the Mueller Juicer Ultra Power. With its powerful motor, easy cleanup, and compact design, it's the perfect addition to any health-conscious kitchen. Get yours today and start enjoying fresh, nutritious juice every day. Thanks for watching Reviews Heaven. We hope our top 5 juicer machine reviews helped you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the best kitchen gadgets. Happy juicing!